Diabetes is a metabolic disorder in the blood sugar. This is a chronic disease with the inability of the body to metabolize sugar stemming from two main causes. The pancreas does not produce insulin, and the cells in the body are resistant to insulin. From there are three main types of diabetes: type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, and gestational diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is a condition in which the pancreas cannot produce insulin, leading to a lack of insulin in the body, making sugar from food after being loaded into the body and cannot be metabolized, leading to stagnation in the blood. People with type 1 diabetes are usually children and are rare and often quite rare. The main cause of type 1 diabetes is genetic and genetic factors. Type 2 diabetes is a condition in which the body can still produce insulin, but the cells are resistant to insulin. So instead of transporting sugar to the cells for energy, the sugar builds up in the blood. Currently, about 90 to 95% of people with diabetes in the world are type 2. The main cause of type 2 diabetes is often due to improper nutrition, overweight, and obesity. Gestational diabetes is a blood sugar disorder in women during pregnancy. Women who have had gestational diabetes during pregnancy have increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes after pregnancy ends. As for diabetes, we must understand that this is a chronic disease. It is not correct to say that it is a disease to be cured. Therefore, it is impossible for the patient to wish to use only drugs to cure diabetes. The most important thing for diabetes is to control and find ways to solve the disease from the root cause. The patient needs to solve the problem of insulin-resistant cells and restore pancreatic function to produce enough insulin needed. Currently, conventional treatment methods, such as the use of drugs that stimulate insulin production or direct insulin injections only, solve the problem immediately, prevent the complication time, but do not have the cause of the disease. The United States is one of the countries with the highest rate of diabetes in the world, accounting for 50% of the population. Therefore, the leading medical experts in my country always focus on research to come up with the best technologies in the treatment of this disease. After many years of research and experimentation, we have successfully researched cellular energy sensing technology to help increase the sensitivity of cells in the body to insulin, solving the root problem of resistant cells with insulin. The main agent accounts for 95% of the causes of diabetes. This treatment method is effective in regulating, stabilizing blood sugar, and limiting complications caused by diabetes. Currently, this is the world's #1 diabetes treatment support technology. In the US, we understand that diabetes is a chronic disease that cannot be treated overnight. Therefore, in addition to treating the symptoms with drugs, we always focus on improving the effectiveness of nutritional therapies to intensively restore the patient's body. Since then, it has taken us many years to successfully research cell energy sensing technology and successfully apply it to the high-tech diabetic dairy product gluferolin. Since then, it has taken us many years to successfully research cell energy sensing technology and successfully apply it to the high-tech diabetic dairy product gluferolin. This is currently the best nutritional therapy to control diabetes today. Gluferolin is the only dairy product that has the ability to control diabetes from the cellular level thanks to successful application of cellular energy sensing technology to the amino and complex to increase sensitivity of cells to insulin, helping insulin tolerant cells return, completely saving the problem of insulin-resistant cells in diabetics. In addition, we have incorporated phytosome technology to help increase the bioavailability and effectiveness of micronutrients in milk, targeting the pancreas to restore pancreatic function to strongly stimulate natural insulin production. These are two leading technologies capable of comprehensively inhibiting the causes of diabetes. From there, solve the root of diabetes. But importantly, it is very safe, benign, and completely natural for the body. In addition, gluferolin high-tech diabetic milk with perfect milk formula contains 100% whey protein, rich in amino acids, minerals, and 28 multivitamins to help provide complete and balanced nutrition for patients. Diabetes compensate for the nutritional deficiencies caused by the patient's abstinence, comprehensively restore the damage in the body, thereby preventing dangerous complications caused by diabetes, such as kidney failure, stroke caused by diabetes, heart rate, blood pressure, and blood fat. Gluferolin high-tech diabetic milk is a great step forward in supporting the treatment of diabetes in the world and is the pride of American medical technology. The product has opened a new door for diabetes to live healthy without worrying about dangerous complications later on. This is the #1 specialized product for people with diabetes, trusted by millions of patients around the world and highly appreciated by leading doctors for its effectiveness, absolute safety, and health benefits.